Hi, today I'm going to explain how to use a hemmer. If you haven't used a hemmer before, it is relatively easy. A hemmer guides or folds the fabric while you're sewing to create an even, consistent hem. Now I'll show you how to put the hemmer on a sewing machine. So here we have our hemmer and a placement screw. We're going to place the screw through the slit. We have 2 screw holes on the bed of the sewing machine. I'm going to use the rightmost hole. And screwing it down. We're only going to screw it down lightly so we can adjust the placement of the hemmer. Once we have it placed where we want it, we can finish screwing it down and tightening the screw with a screwdriver. For added support, I like to use a piece of duct tape to prevent the hemmer from shifting. So we'll raise the presser foot. We'll slide the fabric into the hemmer, and you can see the hemmer creates the fold for you. I'll place the fold under the needle and lower the presser foot. I'm going to hold my trail threads and begin sewing. I'll backstitch and continue sewing. My right hand is pressing the fabric into the hemmer. My left hand is guiding the fabric, not pushing or pulling. Once you come to the end of the run, my right hand will continue pressing the fabric into the hemmer to make sure that the hem is even. If we don't, the hem could become uneven. At the end, I'll backstitch, raise the presser foot, and cut my threads.